Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain, and for today's two different looks I pulled out my Celestial Nirvana once again. This is the third video I'm making with this palette, and I'm doing it because it has so many different colors, and I know some of you might be a little bit afraid of colors, so this is just a suggestion or two suggestions as to how you can put in a little bit of color in your look without it taking over the whole look. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. Lastly, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? Like most of the times, I'm gonna start with the highlighting shade. I'm using my Builder Pro from Sonia G. And I'm placing the highlighting shade under my brows here. For this look, I'm gonna use the taupey color as a transition shade, and I'm gonna put it in my crease, and oh, my crease here. And I'm using the blender brush, the blur. I think it's called Blender Pro. I'm just gonna look. Yes, Blender Pro. I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit, still the same color. The lovely taupe light color, and I'm just gonna blend it upwards. Now I'm taking Nightfall and I'm using my mini booster. This is amazing if you have hooded eyes because it can go right into the crease. And you can also use it to blend. Just creating some depth here. And blending it into the top color. This look is kind of classic. Dip my Builder Pro into the Nightfall, the darkest shade, the chocolatey brown shade, and I'm placing that here in the outer corner. I'm just more or less stamping it on, and then I'm working it towards the middle of the mobile eyelid. Now dipped my Builder Pro into the Bronze Infatuation, and I'm gonna place that in the middle of the mobile eyelid here, and I'm gonna mix it into the dark brown color. This is also such a beautiful shade. I really like this too. Now for some Guilty Opulence in the middle, no, sorry, not in the middle, but in the inner corner of my eye here, inner part of the mobile lid, and over the bronze color. Of course, I have to use the green color, so I'm gonna use that as a liner on my lower part here. Lash line, and I'm going all the way in. Back with some mascara on, and I'm gonna use the highlighting shade and put that here in the inner corner just to brighten up that area here. And that's it. I'm now going to put on some false lashes and I'll be right back. Back with some lashes on, and this is the finished first look. I'm now going to go and do the second eye. Starting out the same way with a bit of highlighter. Gonna do the same thing on this eye with my Blender Pro. I'm gonna use a taupey shade here in my crease as a transition shade. And I'm blending it upwards and outwards. Second shade is the Auburn Allure, and that is a very copperish kind of color. And I'm going to use that as a crease color, and I'm going to mix that into the taupey color here to warm that up a little bit. Never be afraid to mix colors. And if you do something wrong, it's only makeup, you can always remove it. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't, but you'll learn from it for sure. Using the same color with my Builder Pro, and now I'm placing it in the outer corner. Like so. Dipped into Golden Angelica, and I'm going to place that here in my inner corner, or inner part. I keep saying inner corner, that's a little crazy. And then I'm going to mix it into the Auburn Allure here. I'm going to spice it up just a little bit and use the Starlit Copper, the metallic shade, the coppery shade under my eye here as an eyeliner. I'm just going all the way in, just like the green on the other eye. Back with a little bit of mascara on, and this is what it looks like. I am now going to go off cam and put on some false lashes. Back with some false lashes, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to give it a little bit of a highlighting touch here in the inner corner. I'm just going to use the same as I used in the other eye. Now this is it. As you can see, you don't really have to complicate anything, and you can make it fairly simple and still it can have an impact. I'm now going to go off cam and do the full face of makeup so you can see what it looks like with a full face of makeup. This is the finished look with the full face of makeup. On my cheeks, I put on the Paradise Glow Blush Duo, this one, and on my lips, I use the Flesh 5. It's a matte trans from Pat McGrath. I'm now going to put on some glasses because I wear glasses so you can see what that looks like. This is it. So this is two different kind of, to me, a little bit neutral looks. I would say it can be everyday looks. And it's just to show you that even though you have a very colorful palette, you don't have to be so scared of it. You can just play it neutral if you want to. Now, if you like these looks in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, I want to thank you so much for watching this video and have an awesome day. Mwah!